Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to use Canva to earn 1 lakh per month. So Canva is a graphic designing tool where everyone can use. It's a beginner friendly kind of tool. So you don't need so much of hard work to learn that skill. It is very easy. So it was like the more the time that you spend on Canva, the more the skills that you will gain from Canva. In this video, I will share 10 ways that you can earn 1 lakh per month using Canva. First way is logo design. So if you are someone who can create logos on Canva, then ultimately you can become a good logo designer and you can earn a lot using freelancing. So logo design is one of the most popular skill, and you can find lot of logo templates in Canva. You can use them and you can earn a lot. And the second skill that you can earn a lot is by designing ebook covers. So you can also find this category of ebook covers in Canva. If you search for ebook covers, you will find a lot of, I can say, ebook templates. You can design some ebook covers and you can sell there. You can also earn a lot. And the third way is by designing YouTube thumbnails. Of course, every YouTuber needs thumbnails for their videos, so you can also find many templates in Canva. If you can design some good looking YouTube thumbnails, you will be paid in freelancing. So this is something where you can earn a lot. And the other way that you can earn by using Canva is by designing social media posts. So whether it might be an Instagram page, whether it might be a LinkedIn page, whether it might be a Facebook, whatever it might be, you can find lot of templates on Canva or for each and every social media. So if you can customize and you can create your own social media post for a particular brand, then ultimately you can earn a lot. And the other way that you can earn using Canva is by designing posters and banners, whether it might be a college fest, whether it might be a brand promoting their particular product. So if you are someone who are good in creating banners or posters using Canva, you can earn a lot. You can find many templates related to banners and posters of different sizes. You can use those templates and you can create your own customized one. And the other way that you can earn using Canva is by designing ad videos. So for every brand needs to advertise their product. So if you can help them by designing ad videos using Canva, then ultimately you will earn a lot. And the other way is by designing YouTube intros. Of course, every channel needs an intro video. So if you can help them by designing YouTube intros for them, then ultimately you will be paid a lot. You can also find many templates regarding YouTube intros in Canva. And the other thing is Instagram Reels. So nowadays Instagram Reels are getting popular. So everyone is into making Reels. So if you can help brands and influencers by creating Instagram Reels for them, then ultimately you will be paid. So in Canva, you can find this section called Instagram Reels, where you can find lot of templates there. So you can collect a video from a particular influencer, and if you can customize and edit it for them, then ultimately you will be paid a lot. And the other thing is presentations, whether it might be a business presentations, whether it might be seminar presentations, whatever it might be. So you will find lot of templates of presentations in Canva. So if you can help brands or influencers or student or even students to can say prepare presentations for them, then ultimately you will earn. The last thing is creating business cards or visiting cards. You will find a whole lot of templates of business cards and visiting cards in Canva. If you can use them and create some customized new good looking visiting cards for brands or individuals, you will be paid. So these are the 10 ways where you can use Canva to earn 1 lakh per month. As I said in the beginning, the more you spend time working with Canva, the more you will get proficient in using Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.